Hello and welcome to the next talk on how to work faster with computers. Today, we are going to talk about how to compare two columns in Excel sheets. So, let's say, for example, you have a list of words that you have given to someone to check, and he made some changes in that. And now you want to compare it with your original ones. So let's say, for example, I have got this list, which has got 1,29,000 something words. I'll put it here. So this is my original file, and now I'm marking it as corrected. So I'll give this column the name of corrected. And now I have all of these things. So I'll make some changes in this one. So let's say, for example, Abha, I'll mark it as Abha. Then let's say some other examples, Abhinava. So let's make it just as Abhinav. And then similarly other changes, Adikavi, Adilabad. So let's say I'm saying Adilabad, and accordingly I can make some more changes. So let's say I made some changes in this one. Now I know that this column and this column, these two columns are different columns, and there are differences in this, but not all the words are different. But suppose if you had this as a new list, how would you compare between these two lists and mark out the lines or the rows that are different from each other? So we will compare, let's say, column B2 to C2, or let's say B3 to C3. This comparison will do, and we have to highlight it. If there is a difference, we need to highlight it. How do we do that? So for this purpose, there is a formula. What is that formula? That formula is to, right, let's do one thing. The formula would be simple. Simple would be like, say, you simply have to write a code saying that B2 is not equal to C2, then highlight C. So our formula would apply on C with the condition saying that this C2 is not equal to B2. So accordingly, let's write it. So to get that formula, I'll write a formula. That formula would be, let's say, like this. B1 to this. If I do this, it will simply give me true and false instances, because I do not want to use it here. So I'll go to formula and copy that formula here, fill it up with this, and then say OK. So you see, column B1 and B2 are not the same, C1 are not the same. That is why we are getting two different colors on it. If I want to simply select the highlighted cells, I will simply apply a filter here. I'll go to data and use this filter column, and I'll say that okay, I'm going to use a filter like this, and this will give me the list of all the words that are highlighted. So I have got these. Only 5 instances where the words are not the same.